Oh my goodness, you are in! Your seat is confirmed to my value-packed LinkedIn Masterclass series, Turn Your LinkedIn Connection into Clients. All the juicy details of our agenda is here on the screen. I cannot wait to see you inside, where you will walk away with my proven strategies to build a personal brand that people wanted to follow, create content that opens heart, minds, and wallet, new method unlocked, and convert a roster of leads into credit card, hot, and ready clients. And I will be there answering all your questions you have around LinkedIn and plan out your game plan on LinkedIn with me live. First order of business though is to add this event into your calendar. Click the link right below. It will add all the zoomed down in details straight to your calendar. Then from there, open my emails because they are super fun. And please feel free to respond. Tell me who you are, what makes you the most excited about joining my LinkedIn Masterclass. Sharing is loving. If you have been following me for a while, you know my stuff is extra juicy. Get ready for a great time. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and sip my iced cappuccino, brewing this value-packed LinkedIn Masterclass for you all. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. I cannot wait to see you live. Bye for now.